This table contains the details of learners who took part in a drama competition. Now, learners were supposed to pay at least a part of the amount owing by a particular date. Now, those who did not keep to the agreement, it has been decided to fine them. And the fine will be based on the amount outstanding and the days overdue. Now, I'm going to create a query to calculate the amount outstanding and the days overdue of those learners. And then I'm going to create a report in which I'm going to calculate the fine. Let me close the table. I'm going to create a query. I need grade, surname, name, amount owing, amount paid, date paid. And I'm going to move everything up so things can fit in, or hopefully fit in. Now I'm concerned with those who paid after. They were asked to pay before. These are those who paid after 30/04/14 hash. Notice that the date is hash before and hash after. Let me check that. Yes, there we have the dates of those who paid after that particular date. Now I want to find the amount outstanding. Amount outstanding will be what? I think it will be amount owing minus amount paid. Amount owing minus amount paid. Everything spelled correctly? I believe so. Now we want those who owe something. There we are. Now I need to calculate how many days overdue they were. Days overdue, I'm going to put that there. And I'm going to move up a little bit. Days overdue, new field name. Days overdue colon, and days overdue will be what? Date paid minus, and the date is going to be hash 30/04/14 hash. Everything look correct? I believe it is. And there we have those people who did not pay by that particular date, and the amount outstanding and the days overdue. I'm going to calculate that amount in a report. Let me close the query. I'm going to create a report. I'm basing it on the query fine. I'm adding all the fields. The title of the report is fine. There is my report. I'm going to add my calculation on the right hand side here. I will have to move everything up. Let me close this view. I'm going to make that smaller, and now I can move these fields. I'm going to put the fine here. I'm going to just move up a little bit. Right. Fine is going to be equals 0.01 multiplied by amount outstanding multiplied by days overdue. Right, I've added them. Multiplied by amount outstanding multiplied by days overdue. That little box, text box, I do not require. I'm going to add a label there, fine. I do not need this box to be so wide. I'm making it smaller, but the calculation is still there. Now this is currency, so let me format it as currency. Format currency. And let me take the border away and make it transparent. Let's have a look. Right, there we have the fine for those people who did not pay anything before the date of 30 April 2014. And the fine was based on the amount outstanding and the days overdue, and those were calculated in the query.